Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making some edits, like these ones. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Annie's profile and find some pictures. This one looks good. I'm going to screenshot them. And then once I find them, I'll be back. Next, I'm going to go to an app called Over, where I do my editing. First, I'm going to find a background. So I'm going to scroll through these and look for a background to use. First, I'm going to add my first picture. Now I'm going to put it where I want and mask off the excess. So I will speed this up now so that it doesn't take forever. So now that that is done, I'm going to choose a filter, a blending filter, so that it'll be blended better. This one looks good. Now I'm going to add my next picture and do the same thing. Now I do the same thing with my next picture, and I'm going to put it in the background because I don't really have space. I mean, that should be an upfront picture. So now I'm going to mask the excess off of this one. Okay, so that one is done. Now I'm going to get my last picture and put it in. Okay, so that one is done, and this edit is bad, and it feels like it's missing something, so I'm going to go back to Instagram and get another picture for it. So I'm going to use this one, and just put it in the corner, and try and make this edit better, I guess. Okay, so now that all the pictures are done, I'm going to do what I always do and write her name and put it in a cool font, like a pretty one, and then just put it over it. So now that it's done, I'm going to go post it. This this is my final edit. Thank you for watching.